Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Solve for x in given equation. Now the given equation is x square minus 9 whole square minus 3x square minus 9 equal to 18. Now this looks like a quadratic equation. Looks like a quadratic equation. Let's try it this way. Let's assume let x square minus 9 equal to y. So that makes our equation as, therefore, equation becomes y square minus 3y equal to 18. So we can convert it y square minus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. Now in order to solve this, let's use factorization method. So we can write this as y square minus 6y plus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. That becomes y into y minus 6 plus 3 into y minus 6 equal to 0. So we get y minus 6 into y plus 3 equal to 0. That gives us y equal to 6 or y equal to minus 3. So for each value of y, we'll calculate value of x. So if y equal to 6, x square minus 9 becomes equal to 6. So x square equal to 15. So x becomes under root 15. And if y equal to minus 3, then x square minus 9 becomes equal to minus 3. So x square becomes equal to 9 minus 3. So x square is equal to 6. So x is under root of 6. So let's see what are the options here given as. Yes, answer is option A, under root 15 and under root 6.